Howdy, howdy, howdy. This video is for Texas concrete leveling. My name is Joseph Graham, and I'm with Foundation Marketing Pro. What we do is we help concrete contractors, waterproofers, foundation repair guys. We help them all across the United States of America. All right. How do we do this? Well, let's just say that when anybody is looking for a service that you offer, they're going to do one of two things. And that's it. One of two things. They're going to ask someone they know. Do you know anyone that can fix my driveway? Do you know anyone that can lift up my house? Do you know why they're going to ask people they know if they know somebody that can help them. That's the word of mouth referral, right? Other than doing that, what they're going to do is they are going to jump on the internet. And when they jump on the internet, they're going to see something like this. They're going to see ads, and then they're going to see these map listings. Well, guess what? These top 3 businesses in these top 3 map listings get 75 to 80% of the phone calls. That's right. And knowing that, what we did was took your map listing, which is the most valuable asset you have on the internet. It's not your website. It's this. Right? It's this. And we put it through our heat map tool. And what this heat map tool does is it shows us everywhere you are and are not being shown in those top 3 results in certain areas. As you can see, it's pretty much all red, which means no one is seeing you whenever they do a search for like concrete contractor or something of that nature. You might see a 13 to 14, 12, which is the best that you have going on. So let's just say I live over here in this area. I'm looking for a concrete contractor. These are going to be the top 3 companies that they're going to see. They're going to see Affordable, they're going to see Danes, and they're going to see KR. Right? Let's say I live by Lamar. If I'm looking for a concrete contractor, I'm going to see BFs, Macias, and Holt. Right? We can even click on these other companies and see where they're ranking. So we know that BFs is getting a lot of phone calls in the north side of Austin, just based off of their numbers. They're being shown 1, 2, and 3 in the top 3 spots, right? Top 3 spots. So essentially, you are missing out on a lot of phone calls just because you're not being shown in those top 3 positions. Not saying that you're not having any work or anybody calling you, but I'm saying just based off of this, you could be getting a whole lot more and scaling your business. And this is how we help companies across the country. All right. So if you want to learn more, feel free to contact us, or you can just visit foundationmarketingpro.com and just see what we're about. Right. A lot of our people came from Angie's List and Thumbtack. Right. Those guys are scams. You can see some of the for Philadelphia, right? We do have more updated calls. Let's go to this site. This is the parent company, Upshot Solutions. There's an updated call list. So just in like between the 1st and the 19th of December, there was 78 calls, right? Whenever it's supposed to be dead, we end up getting over like 150 inquiries that month. Not just phone calls, but also emails. People just constantly emailing us. This is every month. Every month it continues to grow. This is just from the 1st to the 19th. So if you have any more questions about what we can do for you, feel free to reach out to us. So thanks for watching.